How to fix Instagram and follow bug on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings, click here apps, now apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iOS iPhone, just open settings and then click general and click iPhone storage and select Instagram and then just click offload. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you can't find any update, click on install and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.